Welcome to the closeout of Block Carbon Foundation Catalyst ID 8000063 Carbon Marketplace and Exchange. In this project, we explore the requirements and designs needed to make a tokenized carbon marketplace a success. After initial excitement in 2021 and 2022, many carbon tokens listed on other blockchains failed and were delisted from major exchanges. On our foundation website, you can find the designs, prototypes, and white paper for a Cardano native token market here, which links to the project's GitHub repository. In the README, you can find the structure of the project and its motivation. In-depth research was carried out together with legal experts, developers, and carbon traders, brokers to publish the marketplace research called white paper here. Many open source Catalyst projects of recent funds compatible with Vessel and Chang hard forks have been analyzed and the most relevant for Block Carbon Market listed inside the infra UTxO folder here. Our Aiken validators can also be found in this folder. And the demo web app for marketplace simulation can be found in the README. To launch from here, for the main app, the Wallet Connect, there's a token dashboard. And the repository of the dApp. Our key learnings from this project is that despite the lack of success other blockchains had with voluntary carbon credit tokens so far, the rise of Aiken language, the recent Baku UN summit, and the excitement about COP30 Brazil this year make the timing just right for Cardano to lead in this real-world asset tokenization field. And Block Carbon is confident we can soon find the conditions and investors to launch on mainnet.
Welcome to the Block Carbon Marketplace demo, a platform designed to revolutionize carbon credit trading by providing transparency, accessibility, and robust token management tools. With this MVP, we demonstrate a user-friendly system for managing carbon credit tokens while laying the foundation for full blockchain integration. This is the market overview, showing live data fetched directly from CoinGecko. We display top gainers and losers for the day, trending tokens based on user activity, and the overall market sentiment to help users make informed decisions. The dashboard provides a snapshot of the platform, including total tokens listed, total market cap across all listed tokens, and the average token price for better market insights. Users can also see the top 10 tokens by market cap, giving them a quick view of the most valuable tokens on the marketplace. Lastly, users can check details about the Block Carbon token, including its activity on both the testnet and mainnet for transparency and reliability. This section lets users visualize their portfolio with a detailed table listing token name, policy ID, and quantities, and a pie chart showing distribution for easy understanding. If no wallet is connected, the platform loads example data to help users explore features without needing live integration. Users can view bid-ask prices for tokens, with mock data currently loaded for development purposes. The mint and retire buttons simulate future blockchain-enabled features, allowing users to mint tokens to increase the supply, or retire tokens to offset carbon footprints, both crucial for managing carbon credit life cycles. With live market data, portfolio visualization, and token management, Block Carbon Marketplace provides an intuitive platform for managing carbon credits. This MVP shows the potential of integrating blockchain technologies for real-world impact in carbon trading. We're excited to take this project to the next level, turning these concepts into fully functional tools for a transparent and sustainable future.